Go.
Hi, Wendy Wilson here again, making my second video for certification. This is Noah. Noah is a 15-year-old Morgan. He stands over 17 hands high. He's a pretty good boy, kind of a lazy gelding. He doesn't put extra energy into anything except biting. He loves to bite, so we're going to have to keep a close eye on that today. First thing I do with most horses is I like to give them a quick brush if their owner hasn't already groomed them. Now, he's been brushed already, so I'm just going over him as demonstration. And then when I'm done, I have bleach water. And I always spray my brush with bleach water to make sure that nothing passes from one horse to another. Next, we're going to take his temperature. Get my little thermometer here. My Vaseline, because I always dip it in Vaseline before inserting. Turn it on. Oh yeah, you're a good boy. And in we go. Okay. And he is 99 on the dot, so that's good. I know this horse, so I know he's in good health and he's taken care of. I always wash my thermometers off with an alcohol wipe after using to make sure it's nice and clean and ready for the next horse. Okay, I'm going to listen to his gut sounds and his lungs. Nice and clear. He just took a poop a few minutes ago, so I know his gut's moving fine. Just listening on the other side. Okay. I can't take his respirations or his heart rate because we're using my phone to film this, and normally I have that set for a 15-second timer so that I can time the heart and the respirations and then times 4, and that's what I have. So we're going to pretend that I did that. I submitted a report on Noah just a week or so ago, so you'll be able to look back at that and see what we have. As tall as Noah is, he does present me with some issues. Okay, he's a little head shy, but I like to establish a little care here, a little soft touch. Just let him feel. Good boy. A little bit here. I do have to watch for him biting all the time. Oh, he's already relaxing. I love to see that. Okay. So I'm going to start right here on his cheeks. I know that he's had his teeth floated within the last 6 months, so we shouldn't have any teeth issues. He works on a fairly natural frame. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's a good boy. There's a good boy. There. I like to massage the lip right there. For a horse that works in especially in a strong bit. Oh, yes. That's also a technique I use to sneak the deworming medication in on them. Isn't it? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, you okay, buddy? Okay, I know, that was frightening, so let's just move on from there. This is a horse I have to get on my stool for a lot. I'll work here on the, up here at the C1. Oh, there you go. There you go. Good boy. Okay. Okay. And he says, that's enough there. There you go for your ear. Huh? Can I get both of them? This is awkward working on a stool, but you can't dictate what size horse your client is going to be. Oh, yes. Okay, good boy. Good boy. I'm going to come down his neck here. Again, because he works in a good frame, I like to do a little massaging here on the crest. He just tried to bite the dog. Okay, Quinn, no. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's come down. Okay. I want to flex his neck a little.
No, I'm going to use molasses water. I'm going to use the molasses water I got in the house.
And just, okay. Now I don't know if that flinch was from me going in between the cervical vertebra, or if he thought the dog was coming back at him. Okay, no, he does not seem to be flinching at that. I want to be sure. Okay. My little scarf's coming off. Okay. Down the front here. I want to see that the muscles appear to be standing nice and square for me. And I can see that his muscle development appears to be quite equal on both sides of the sternum. Okay, buddy. You're all right, buddy. You're all right. I usually don't tie a horse this tight when I'm massaging, but because he does bite, I have to be careful. See if we can have him relax a little. He's kind of tense. Oh, that's a good boy. Okay. Move my stool. And I'm going to flex his front leg. Okay, buddy, pick it up. Pick it up. Give me that leg. Oh, there's a good boy. There's a good boy. Nice range of motion there. And I feel the point of the joint here between the scapula. Okay. Getting good joint movement there. And then right here at the top. This horse is good and sound in front here. He moves very easily. His spine has some flex to it, which is always good. Okay. And up to the sacrum. I always ask my clients if the horse is used to being mounted from a mounting block before I use the stool, so that I know if the horse is going to be accustomed to having people stand over him or not. Sternum's a little tight, a little stiff, but not outrageously so. He does not have the divot on his back like I've seen on other Morgans. Okay. See how his tail moves? Actually moves pretty good. Okay. That's good. And now I'm going to pick up his back foot. Oh, there's a good boy. Pick it up. Oh. Come on, buddy. You can do this. Let's pick it up. Pick it up. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Oh. He's not enjoying this. Maybe I'll try that again when he's a little more relaxed. Because right now he is not wanting to pick up that foot. Okay. Well, I'm going to move, at this time I'm going to go right into my massage again. Going back up front. And palpate the neck a bit. Watch his reactions. I'm really not feeling much of anything. Noah was at another person's barn for about a year and a half, 2 years. And when they rode him, they allowed him to get kind of strung out. So coming back into nice form when he's being ridden is something he hasn't had to do in a while. So I do feel just a little something right here on his neck, so I'm going to apply some soft pressure. Little vibration. Circular motion. I can feel it releasing already. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh yeah, no, don't bite me. This is the spot he was a little reactive to last time. I see a little lip quivering going on, so I'm happy with that. Let's do the same thing, some gentle pressure. Oh, the neck is dropping. He'd like to lower his head more. Oh, that's a good boy. That's good. That's good, Noah. Yes, yes. His sternum, like I said, he's very well developed around the sternum. Noah does a lot of driving as well as riding. Almost all the Morgans here at the barn are trained to drive. We actually broke my little Rocky Mountain horse to drive too. He could have cared less. Okay. Now let's get up here to the withers and see how you feel up here, huh, buddy? Quite relaxed. I'm very happy to see that. That was an attempted bite. His owner was telling me that his mother rejected him after a couple weeks because he had already started biting her teats when he was nursing. She wanted nothing to do with him. Okay, what's going on here, buddy? Okay, okay. Another attempted bite. Okay. Okay. Down the leg. Down the leg. Up, up, up. Don't you bite me. Good. Up. 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 Down some more. And acupressure point. And he is loving that. Licking and chewing. I'm going to hold it until he moves. He is soaking this in. This is like the magic spot. Good boy. Good boy. No biting. Yeah. He was also gelded quite young because he was just out of control. He was gelded at 4 months. You can see his hydration is fine. I'm not feeling anything on these shoulder muscles that draws my attention, and he's not reacting, except with a little lip quivering. Good boy, okay. Move on to his back here. Again, I'm getting absolutely no reaction from this boy at all. My little stretchy tool. I'm ordering regular Gao Shui tools. This is actually a Tupperware tool used to scrape dough off your countertop, but it's got this lovely smooth round end here, and it works beautifully for stretching out these muscles. Well, there goes some more lip quivering. We're having a good time today, boys. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Right. Dig into the intercostal muscles. I think he moved away from me just because this is unfamiliar, because he's not moving anymore. Little lip quivering. Good boy. You're a good boy. And up under here. This horse is in really good condition. He's very athletic, but also lazy, as many geldings are. Huh? Lazy gelding boy? Good boy, Noah. Lumbar section. Yeah, and the Gauchois tools, I'm torn between getting natural stone like jade or quartz versus the steel. I'd like to look up and see if there's any healing associated with the different stones. Okay. Oh, he just sank this hip. And he's loving this. I've started my craniosacral class, and it turns out not a lot, but some of the things in that class I already do because of my friend back in Illinois who was a equine therapist for many years, and just by watching and observing. He might not have been the best one to pick for a demonstration because I'm not finding much of anything wrong with him. Which is a good thing, right? And I know that he's not a kicker, so I can be a little more relaxed with standing by his hindquarters. Come down to the magic spot. Now I can't see his head. Oh yeah, okay, he moved. Lots of lip licking. Back to the little rump here. I don't know any animal that doesn't like a little butt rub. Four-legged animal, I'm talking about. are such big muscles back here. Back up he went. Okay. And we're going to switch over to the other side now. I'm going to see if I can get him to move over a bit. Good boy, Noah. Good boy. Okay. The more I learn, the more I find I enjoy the energy work a lot. You talk about intention and making sure you're in the right place to do good for the horse. Well, just doing these massages brings me a tremendous amount of joy. I know he's been twitched. Oh, yeah. I think he's frustrated because he hasn't been able to bite me yet. What do you think, huh? Just want to be calm, patient. Okay, baby. Let's reestablish our calm. Well, I think he is bored and wants me to get back to the good part. This is not the good part. We'll come back to this, okay? We'll come back to that. But I would love to bite you. I'm sure you would. You're a good boy. Oh, here we go. I got you now. I got you now. Oh, thank you. So he's giving me mixed signals. He's backing away from me while he's licking and chewing. Steady on, Noah. Steady on. Okay. I'm going to give him a second to just collect himself. This is not an area of the barn that he's usually tied up in, so he's a little uncomfortable here, I think. But we're going to finish the program anyway. The cervical vertebra palpated very nicely. So I'm just going to go very slow. To try and ease him. And you do the same with dogs. If you have a dog that's very excited, you slow down your reactions. You pet more slowly. You speak more calmly. Okay, Noah. You're all right, Noah. Yeah. Yeah. You're all right, Noah. We're going to play giraffe now. How high can I get my net? Oh. Leading on the crest. Hey, 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 hey. You need to knock that off. You don't want to eat the wood. He's not a cribber. Trying to get him to focus, but that's not always easy, as you know. He's definitely not focused on me. I'm going to move down the body and see if he settles. You're okay, Noah. You're okay. You're not focused. I'm just going to proceed. That was an attempted bite. He has no patience for the dog. Okay. And suddenly he's focused. Now maybe I can do his neck a little more. There we go. There we go. Another attempted bite. not every horse relaxes completely. You know, in this business, I'm sure you're going to meet all types of horses. And the fact that Noah is restless and not focused is just something that we deal with. Not use too much pressure. He's much more focused again. Good. That's good. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. He's a good boy. Make sure I get both sides of the spine. Good boy. Oh, yeah, yeah. Lots of licking and chewing there. Yeah. He really wants to bite me. Okay, stretch these intercostals. He's doing good now. The abdominals, I don't see any reaction. Okay, and as soon as I say that, he moves.
You want to bite me? Bite me?
And moving on to his butt. And if he did the same thing on the other side, he relaxes the foot to the side I'm working on. Last time I worked on him for the case study, I was finding some reactiveness right along here. But that was a couple of weeks ago, and he doesn't seem as reactive as he did for his last massage, so that's good. Get around to the butt. Good boy. And the spot. Okay. He said that was enough there. Okay. Okay. Go, buddy. Go. He's not having any of this. He says, energy my butt. I know, we were already works today. He does not like having me work around his face. So that's something we'll come back to at a later date. You know, maybe he just has to get more accustomed to being massaged. Spot right there. That's it right there. Some pressure. Not too tough. That's the other thing my friend taught me, was that with human beings you like to use a lot of pressure. With horses, less is more. Oh wow, I can feel that spot releasing beautifully. And Noah is telling me he's pretty much done, I think. Okay. He's standing pretty square. I want to give him a gentle tail pull. See how he reacts to it. If he pulls, I'm not going to push that because he doesn't seem to like it. I always try to do a tail pull, but I go real soft at first. If I can feel the horse relaxing into it, I'll extend it. If the horse, like he was, moves it away from me, that's the end of that. I'm not going to do that until I get a better initial reaction from him. So that's pretty much working on Noah. I'm going to see if I can lift the hind leg now. He did not like that when we started. Pick it up. Come on, boy. There we go. There we go. Just stretch. Good boy. See if I can stretch his front legs out a little without him biting me. I also pick chestnuts. Whenever I feel chestnuts on a horse, if they come off, I'll pick at them. Come on, buddy. Pick it up. Okay, good boy. He's gonna bite me. Ah. Now he's gonna step on my foot. Come on, buddy. This is my workout. Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh. He says, thank you. That stretch feels good. Good boy. Oh, yes. That was a good one. Now let's do the other one, huh? Don't want you to bite me. Okay. Okay, Noah. You're a good boy. a little cracking and popping in his joints, but at 15, he probably has a little arthritis. There we go. Just a little gentle stretching. That takes it out of me. So there we have Noah. My second video. Thank you for your attention, and I hope I get the news on certification shortly. God bless. Take care. Thank you.